The MMDA assures it is taking steps to ease the vehicular traffic problem along EDSA. The details in this report.
The Metropolitan Manila Development Authority is taking steps to ease the heavy traffic along EDSA that is worsened by different construction activities. According to MMDA Chairman Attorney Francis Tolentino, aside from the Congressional Bridge and the planned of Magallanes area, they are monitoring the construction activity at Dario Bridge in Muñoz, Quezon City.
So ginagawa ngayon yung southbound, ang kagandahan sa southbound, mas maluwag. Mas malapad. So expected yan na merong congestion doon dahil ginagawa ang tulay. Lalo na pag ginawa itong Guadalupe Bridge. Ang tulong ko sa ngayon, hindi muna natin hinayaan gawin yung Magallanes Interchange. Traffic lalo tayo, no?
If in case the southbound lane will be closed to traffic, the MMDA said they will implement a zipper lane like what they did when the northbound lane of the bridge undergone rehabilitation.
We are implementing zipper lane para yung area na nasakop nila is makompensate. So far, dito lang may konting congestion pero tolerable. Ibig sabihin, hindi masyado nakaka-effect sa traffic.
The rehabilitation activities are a part of the preparations for the big one and typhoons that will hit the country.
Kung matatapos itong paghuhulog ng aming bakal dito sa aming board pile, kung hindi naman at uulan, baka bukas magbuhusan namin. Kaya mabilis naman ho sa nakikita namin.
Meanwhile, Tolentino reminded the motorists to be a driver and follow traffic rules and regulations. Tolentino said irresponsible drivers were usually the cause of heavy traffic.
Disiplina na yon kasi yung iba nating kababayan talaga nagmamadali. So, drivers discipline at saka disiplina rin ng mga mananakay.